Hi homies, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'll be showing you how to go from this to this. I will also be showing you how to frame, reframe, layout, placement, all that you need to do your own gallery wall with artworks and vinyl. Let's do this! I'm going to be starting the process for my gallery wall, and I have like a bunch of old paintings here. I just feel like the frame is too big, like everything here are kind of old. It's broken. I'm going to someone that cuts glass so it could cut the exact fit for me. I need to measure the length and width of the pictures, not the frames. I'll just take the measurements to the market for it to be reframed. I'm going to be reframing. I cut glasses and the carton at the back with the edges. I got the hook at the back so I could assemble the frames myself. Yeah. I'll be starting with this. We will be dismantling these frames and assemble the painting in a new frame. So I have the painting out with the carton and the glass that I got from the market is here. The first thing that I want to do is puncture a hole with this hook behind the carton on the center. You're splitting the hook into two out. I'll take them so well. So I'll be cleaning out the dirt, handprints from the market. I'll be fitting my painting behind the glass. So what you'll be doing is pressing it in and slide. You could give it a gentle press while you're sliding in. So what I want to do is tape the edge and the carton in place. Run your hands to the corners, ensure your tape is secured. I just use my wipes to remove all the stains from my fingerprint. So here are the frames that we've done. It's a wrap. I got these lovely vinyl records from a friend. Finally, I added like a little extra thing, which is this. I just preferred it more outside the frame. how putting up all these pieces together, the vinyl records, the artwork, and this lovely thingy here on the wall. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and leave your comments below. See ya!